I am Academy Senior Under Officer Ahmed Mushtaba Arif Raja from 152nd PMA Long Course, and I hail from Kotli Azad, Kashmir. 18th October 2025 remains as an unforgettable day for me, as today I have been awarded with the prestigious Sword of Honor for being the overall best cadet of my course. Besides sheer hard work, countless blessings of Allah Almighty, prayers of my parents, and relentless efforts of my instructors have been the deciding factor for the achievement of this distinction. I joined Pakistan Military Academy as an expression of my love for the nation. Inshallah, in the future, I will work with the same zeal and enthusiasm and will come up to the expectations of my nation.
I am Battalion Senior Under Officer Zuhair Hussain from 152nd PMA Long Course. Today, 18th October 2025 marks a memorable day in my life since I've been awarded with the prestigious President's Gold Medal for being the overall second best cadet of my course. I stand here because of the blessings of Allah Almighty, prayers of my parents, guidance of my instructors, and unwavering support of my comrades. Each moment spent at the academy, it has not only transformed me as a person, but has also given me a true sense of purpose in life, that is to serve my nation to the best of my capability.
I am Gentleman Cadet Syed Hashir Hassan from 152nd PMA Long Course, and I hail from Hangu. Today is a very unforgettable day for me, as I have been awarded Chief of Army Staff Marksmanship Award for being the overall best firer of my course. This award has been awarded to me due to the prayers of my family, dedication of my faculty and instructors at Pakistan Military Academy. Inshallah, in the future, I will work with the same zeal and enthusiasm to come up to the expectations of my nation. May Allah Almighty help me to lead from the front with courage and devotion to defend Pakistan till my last breath.
I am Course Under Officer Shahir Ali from Technical Graduate Course 37, and I hail from Chinyot. Today is a moment of immense pride and gratitude for me, as I stand commissioned in Pakistan Army and been awarded with the Chief of Army Staff's cane for being the overall best cadet of my course. This achievement has been possible due to the blessings of Almighty Allah, the prayers of my parents, the guidance of my instructors, relentless efforts, and the support of my fellow comrades. This year at Pakistan Military Academy has been a journey of courage, discipline, and transformation, shaping me into a soldier ready to serve with honor and dignity in the evolving and ever-challenging environment. As I hold this cane today, I renew my vow to serve this nation with pride, commitment, and unwavering faith.
I, Friendly Country Cadet, Company Junior Under Officer Tekraz Rawat from Nepal, have undergone training with 152nd PMA Long Course at Pakistan Military Academy. I have been awarded with Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Overseas Gold Medal for being the best cadet among Friendly Country Cadets. It is a great honor for me to receive this award and represent my country in Pakistan. I would like to express my gratitude to my brothers in arms from Pakistan and making the stay of my friendly fellow country cadets so memorable. Pakistan and Nepal are brotherly countries with rich history and glorious future. It is very hard to put this feeling into words, as I leave this academy with heavy heart. Pakistan is and will always be in my heart, and I shall present myself as an ambassador of Pakistan in my country. दिल को छू लिया आप लोगों ने, बहुत याद आओगे पाकिस्तान और 152 Long Course.
I'm Course Under Officer Syed Muhammad Hadi from Integrated Course 71. I belong to Rawalpindi. Today, I have been awarded with the Commandant's cane for overall being the best cadet of my course. Besides my hard work and dedication, this honor has been conferred upon me due to Allah Almighty's blessing, prayers of my parents, and pristine standard of training imparted by our faculty at Pakistan Military Academy. Training at Pakistan Military Academy has been a cherishable experience where each one of us was enabled to explore our hidden abilities and potential to deliver under tiring circumstances. Today, I pledged that I will keep working hard with the same zeal and fervor to live up to the trust of my nation and expectations of Pakistan Army.
I am Course Under Officer Hadia from Lady Cadet Course 26. It is a matter of great pride for me to have been awarded with the Commandant's cane for being the overall best lady cadet of my course, and I bow my head in humility to the Almighty Allah. I am immensely grateful to my parents and the faculty here in Pakistan Military Academy for their constant support and guidance. Inshallah, I shall continue to work hard with the same zeal and enthusiasm. I endeavor to be a role model for the young women who are aspiring to serve this nation, this great nation, with dignity and honor.
I am Friendly Country Lady Cadet Course Sports Sergeant Jannatul Mawa from Bangladesh. I underwent training in Pakistan Military Academy with Lady Cadet Course 26 and have graduated today from this esteemed academy. I am honored to have been awarded with Commandant's Overseas Gold Medal for being the best friendly country, Lady Cadet. This academy has not only forged me into a capable officer but also cultivated a profound sense of belonging with my Pakistani colleague. The shared experience of demanding training has laid a profound foundation of friendship between us.
میرا نام اکیڈمی اسپورٹ سارجنٹ شاہ فیاض ہے اور میں خیبر پختونخوا کی سرزمین ضلع کرم سے تعلق رکھتا ہوں اور آج 152 لانگ کورس کے ساتھ پاکستان ملٹری اکیڈمی سے پاس آؤٹ ہو رہا ہوں. یہ سفر عزم، غیرت اور ایمان کا سفر تھا اور میرے صوبے کے بہادر روایات نے مجھے سکھایا ہے کہ وطن کی خاطر جان بھی قربان ہے. میں وعدہ کرتا ہوں کہ ہر حال میں پاکستان کی حفاظت کروں گا.
میرا نام سارجنٹ عاصم منظور ہے. میرا تعلق 152 PMA لانگ کورس سے اور میں سندھ کے ایک چھوٹے سے گاؤں سے تعلق رکھتا ہوں. آج میں فخر سے یہ وردی پہنے کھڑا ہوں. یہ صرف لباس نہیں، یہ ذمہ داری، عزت اور شہداء کی امانت. یہ سفر محنت، قربانی اور جذبہ ایمان سے بھرا ہوا ہے. میں عزم کرتا ہوں کہ وطن کی خاطر ہر لمحہ تیار رہوں گا. ایمان، تقوی، جہاد فی سبیل اللہ میرا راستہ ہے. پاکستان زندہ باد، پاک فوج پائندہ باد.
میرا نام کمپنی سارجنٹ میجر محمد ابراہیم ہے اور میرا تعلق 152 PMA لانگ کورس سے ہے. میں ضلع دیرہ بگٹی بلوچستان کا رہائش پذیر ہوں. میرا پاک فوج میں شمولیت اختیار کرنے کا مقصد قوم کا دفاع اور ملک کی خدمت ہے. میں یہ سمجھتا ہوں کہ میرے علاقے کے لوگ کسی بھی شعبے میں کسی سے کم نہیں، تو ان کو میں پیغام دینا چاہتا ہوں کہ وہ آئیں اور اس عظیم ادارے پاک فوج میں شمولیت اختیار کر کے ملک و قوم کی خدمت اور ملک کا دفاع کریں.
میرا نام GC احمد ہے. میرا تعلق 152 PMA لانگ کورس سے ہے. مجھے فخر ہے کہ میں شہیدوں کے خاندان سے ہوں. میرے والد اور میرے بڑے بھائی دونوں اس وطن کی بقا کی خاطر اپنی جانوں کا نذرانہ پیش کر چکے ہیں. میرے والد سب انسپکٹر خالد نصیر نے 17 جون 2001 کو آزاد کشمیر میں جان کا نذرانہ پیش کیا. میرے بھائی لیفٹنٹ ناصر حسین نے 3 ستمبر 2020 میں نارتھ وزیرستان میں جام شہادت نوش کیا. اور آج میں اپنے والدین اور اساتذہ کی دعاؤں سے اور اپنی محنت سے پاکستان ملٹری اکیڈمی میں 2 سال کی ٹریننگ کمپلیٹ کر کے پاس آؤٹ ہو رہا ہوں. مجھے فخر ہے کہ میں اپنی خاندان کی روایات کے مطابق پاکستان آرمی کا حصہ بن رہا ہوں اور اس کی حفاظت کی خاطر کبھی بھی جان کا نذرانہ پیش کرنے سے دریغ نہیں کروں گا.
میرا نام کمپنی جونیئر انڈر آفیسر احمد نعمان ہے. میرا تعلق 152 PMA لانگ کورس سے ہے. میرے والد صاحب میجر جنرل ہیں اور ملک کے مختلف علاقوں میں اپنے فرائض سر انجام دے رہے ہیں. بچپن سے ہی اپنے والد صاحب کو اس وردی میں اس ملک کی خدمت کرتے ہوئے دیکھ کر اور ان کی جد و جہد، لگن اور قربانیوں کو دیکھ کر میرے دل میں بھی یہ جذبہ پیدا ہوا کہ میں بھی اس ملک کی خدمت کر سکوں. اور انشاءاللہ اگر مجھے بھی کبھی موقع ملا اپنی جان کا نذرانہ پیش کرنے کا تو میں اس سے دریغ نہیں کروں گا. پاکستان زندہ باد، پاک فوج پائندہ باد.
Allah indeed loves those who fight in his way in ranks as though they were a solid wall. As per Kai's historic remarks of January 1948, I quote, "We are all Pakistanis and citizens of the state, and we should serve, sacrifice and die for the state so that we may make it the most glorious and sovereign state in the world." Unquote. Dear cadets, victory is not achieved by rhetoric, but by training, character, and the courage to stand firm and unyielding in the face of odds and challenges. Remain focused by making professionalism, discipline, and ethical leadership the hallmark of your personality. Be cognizant of the diverse array of threats within and beyond, which are proliferating via digital media, populist anarchism, and social subversion. Unfortunately, in the post-truth era in which we live, perceptions bear more weight than reality, and half-truths spread faster than facts. Your strength will lie in thinking critically and discerning fact from fictions. Do not become tools and victims of information disorder, encompassing fake news, misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation. You must develop clarity, as in today's world, clarity of mind is power. Dear cadets, ladies and gentlemen, the broad thrust of my message is a reassurance that given Pakistan's potential and rising stature, we need to take on the challenges with grit and determination and lead our country to its rightful destiny. Pakistan's flag will inshallah continue to rise because its defenders, that is Pakistani nation, never fail. At the end, I once again congratulate you all on being commissioned and wish you the best for a promising yet challenging journey ahead. I also extend my profound compliments to your parents, guardians, and mentors for this remarkable accomplishment.